Well, the sentencing phase of the Anthony Pardon murder trial is underway as we speak. Now, this is part of the trial where the jury hears testimony to decide whether to recommend the convicted rapist and killer be sentenced to death. NBC4's Dan Perlman joining us now live from the courthouse with more on what's happening right now. Dan.
Well, at this moment, court is in recess, but within the next few minutes, we do expect a psychologist to begin testifying. He will be the fifth witness called by Pardon's attorneys. Now, as we have reported, Pardon is convicted of raping and murdering Rachel Anderson in 2018 and encouraging the jury to spare his life. His attorneys are calling a number of witnesses to paint a picture of his life. His sister, who asked not to be identified, told the jury about Pardon's upbringing. Listen to part of her testimony, as you'll also hear prosecutor Ron O'Brien tell the jury how he wants them to digest what they're hearing.
Tell the ladies and gentlemen of the jury what it was like growing up in your household.
Dysfunctional. Drugs, alcohol, bunch of chaos, bunch of beatings.
And at age 53, as he makes those choices to rape, rob, burgle, hold tight, and strangle to death Rachel Anderson, whatever happened in his childhood is deserving of zero mitigation in the punishment that you will consider and decide.
And today I did speak with one of Anthony Pardon's attorneys. He told me Pardon may make a statement as part of this phase of this trial at 5:30. I'll let you know if that happens as I unravel and walk you through everything else that happened today in the courtroom. Local for you at the Franklin County Courthouse, Dan Perlman, NBC4.